Here's kind of our exit ticket for this section, is looking at an algebraic statement using our order of operations to simplify that as best as we can. Rules still apply, parentheses first. Everything I'm not dealing with, I'm still going to write. This parentheses, I cannot add anything inside. Those are unlike terms. However, I can distribute the 6 across those terms. So this becomes a 6x squared minus a 12 plus a 5. I still have some work to do within those parentheses. It becomes a 6x squared. A minus 12 plus a 5 gives me a negative 7. Check. Still have some parentheses. Notice I have a negative or subtraction sign outside of that grouping. Remember, we can also distribute that across as well. So this is negative 1 times the 6x squared produces a negative 6x squared. Negative times a negative 7 produces a positive 7. Let's rewrite that as all terms being added together. Rather than subtracting a 6x, I'm going to add its negative, or its opposite. Now I can use the commutative property because I'm going to commute these terms across the addition sign. Now I can go ahead and add like terms. 18x squared plus a negative 6x squared gives me a negative 12x, or a positive 12x squared, plus 4 plus 7 gives me a plus 11. How do you feel about that? Are you guys all right? Starting to get the hang of what's happening? It's going to become a lot more easy the more practice that we do. So I encourage you to practice as much as you can and get off to a great start as we continue exploring our algebra sequences.